Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates.
And my name is Taylor Green and I'm the other audiologist here. So, we've got a very tricky one here. This is just one patient, which is my patient. You can already see just before we entered the ear here, this ear canal is almost completely closed shut. So we've got an extremely narrow ear canal we're working with here, which means we're going to have to resort to the fine end. Oh, sorry guys, his voice is going already. So yeah, it just looks like a lot of like keratin, skin, there's a little bit of wax mixed in there. We've got a bit of everything in here. Now, I'm trying to just see how loose this is, if it is loose at all. So I'm just trying to get a good grip with the fine end.
Not easy, these ones. When you've got narrow canals, there's a lot of keratin going on the canal. Because fine end is great, and we do use it a lot for keratin, but it doesn't give a fantastic suction grip on keratins.
No, I was literally just about to say the suction is not great with the fine end. It's very, very weak. Yeah. Great if it's loose, but yeah.
Well, welcome to day 7, by the way, of Waxvent.
Oh gosh, yes,
yeah,
sorry, welcome to day 7.
We've, fingers crossed, we're a week in now, so we're hoping you're enjoying the videos. If you are, let us know into the comment section below. That'd be absolutely fantastic. Thank you very much.
It's putting up a bit of a fight for us, this one.
Doesn't want to come out, does it?
Yeah, and I'm quite hesitant at putting oil in this one, again, just because of the visual, the view. The hairs at the entrance of the ear here are just going to get in the way, and anytime we try and enter the ear, it's just going to completely mess this up, and yeah, it'll just make it harder.
Yeah.
Oh, look at it.
That is a very, very narrow entrance to the canal there.
So we're trying to wedge the ear open here with the forceps while being as careful as we can, and yeah, we're not doing very well so far. We're getting little tiny bits out. It's slow but steady.
Thing is, when you're doing this type of removal, when it's a very, very narrow canal, most of the time you're holding the canal open with usually either the endoscope or a tool, depending on which side it is. So you do kind of have to go in quite far with the camera to hold it open before you can get the tool in. And that does make it a little bit more difficult. You've put a bit of oil in here, but with with that visual, sometimes when you're holding the canal open, the oil will have coated the side of the canal, and it'll blur your vision straight away. Yeah. But they're always like this, the really narrow ear canals. It's always rock solid, or it's really mushy, and it's everywhere. It's all over the canal walls.
Yeah. So I could see a little bit of a lift then. So I can see this is starting to come loose now. So that oil's actually worked really well. But I'm having to hold back further, which I'm not sure if it happens here. Sometimes with these narrow ear canals, it kind of makes the ear canal slippery. Yeah. And sometimes if we're not quite in far enough, you'll see the camera just kind of slipped back out.
Yeah.
So just giving it a good old wiggle.
Things if we can lift it off that one side of the canal wall, because it is quite thin, this front section, you can go in with the forceps and grab that then, can't you?
Yeah, I'm not sure if I do that in a second. I literally got a frog in my throat today. Excuse me, sorry guys. Oh, it's not even still early, still early.
Yeah, this is before we've come in early, because obviously the building work is still going on here, guys. At the moment, it's been a little bit delayed, so it's gone a bit longer than we thought it was. So we're coming in, trying to come in like a couple of hours before our clinic starts, just to try and get a few more videos voiced over for Waxvent.
God, it's really frustrating. It's because it's just shearing and tearing little tiny bits away.
It's almost like crumbly, isn't it? It's got a really odd consistency.
I'm actually not sure. I'm not sure whether I've actually got the standard size tube on here, which is why the visual is not great, because I've literally had to try and wedge this open really, really close to the entrance without me slipping out. Yeah. To get a better grip now that we've pulled it forwards.
I think it probably, looking at it, I think it was. Now this is difficult because you've got to kind of hold it open slightly to accommodate the bigger tube, but you're kind of right on the edge of that ear canal holding that open there. Yeah,
the problem we'll get if we don't hold the ear open is because it is so narrow. Essentially what the suction tube, even the fine end in some cases, what the suction tube will do, would almost say, what the suction tube will do is almost create a seal inside the ear, like a vacuum pack.
Yeah.
And that's the only way I can really describe it, is like you vacuum packing something.
Yeah.
Is, you know, that suction tube will close up the ear canal, and it'll just build up with that pressure, and you could cause some damage, some barrow trauma, so like bruising, or, you know, in the worst cases, potentially a perforation.
Yeah.
So yeah, anytime we see the ear canal closed, that's why you'll normally see us coming out, but we've got it. We've managed to do it.
It's exactly the same on the other side, but with hair.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice. No, these are always really, really difficult ones. They're never easy, and no matter which way you approach them, like you could have a fantastic technique on one particular patient, but that would have to completely change with somebody else because everyone's ear canals are so different.
I think we are a bit more lucky on this one though. The ear canal is not as narrow on this side, so we've gone straight in with a standard size tube here. So you can see already there is some gap for me to get into.
Don't forget, guys, if you do have problems with your ears, you can always contact us via the link tree in the description, whichever platform you're watching this on. You can get yourself on there, book yourself an appointment. I was going to say something else. Oh yeah, if you do enjoy the videos, you can always like, heart, share, follow, and subscribe. It's been a tough couple of days, guys. We're absolutely shattered at the moment. There's so much going on. But yes, if you do enjoy the videos, then please like, share, heart, follow, and subscribe. Thank you very much.
Much appreciated.
Yeah, we do actually. We do really appreciate it. Yeah, we started Waxvent because we thought it'd be a nice thing for the viewers to do, and it kind of took off. It was Waxmas originally, 12 days of Waxmas. That's now extended to the 25 days of Waxvent.
Full calendar.
Yeah, so we've got a full lot going on. Oh, look at that, oily.
Yeah, so I've pulled it forward slightly. I've popped out in just to try and get around this, to almost kind of lubricate the ear canal again, to try and slide this out a little bit easier, because it's just putting up a bit of a fight for us. You
could see there what we meant about the potential of it affecting the view slightly. You could see that kind of blurring effect, almost like that water running over the camera, and that's what happens when you get the oil on. But when you're suctioning, then you're suctioning a lot of that out, so it does sort of improve the view a little bit as you go then. Oh my goodness me, this is tough.
I think we've got a good grip at this point. I was almost kind of, as well as the visual, you're kind of listening out for the suction as well, because when you get a good grip, you can just start to hear the pressure building, and that's obviously a good sign. So there we go. Oils work really well there, slipping out nice and easy here. Oh, it's not nice and easy. It's not nice and easy. It's coming out easier than what it was at the start.
Because this time, I mean, with this patient, with the very narrow entrance to the canal there, you'd be saying, oh my God, that's a good one. You'd be saying to this patient, you want to see him like every 12 months, really, wouldn't you? At least. Yeah, just to get that out.
Yeah, these little tiny bits of skin, guys, I do apologise, didn't clear those out, just purely because there was a bit of whistling coming from that little bit of skin that we took away there, so I didn't want to interfere with the patient's hearing at all. But hearing's so much better once removed. So what we got?
So, well, which way are you doing?
Oh, I'm going to do an inch. It's nice and easy.
That's the 2.5 centimetres, guys.
Nice
2.5 centimetres. Well, guys, we really hope you enjoyed that video as much as we did voicing it over. Don't forget, if you do, then you can always follow the channel, subscribe. You'll get notifications and every single time we post a new video. But as always, guys, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another, and we'll see you again real soon. Bye, everyone.
Bye.